In this video, I will show you how to add logo to your Shopify store. By default, Shopify displays the store name in the header, but if you're looking to replace it with a custom logo, the process is as follows. At first, log into your Shopify admin account, and then click on the online store. Then locate your active theme, in my case, Dawn version 15.2.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, on the left, look for the gear icon, it's Theme Settings, and then at the very top, click on Logo. And right in here, you can add a new logo. For that, let me just click on Select. If you already uploaded the logo, you can pick it from the list. In my case, I'll have to upload a brand new logo. Let me just drag it right from my desktop right here. And it should upload in a moment. And there it is. Now make sure it's selected, and then select Done. And here's the sample logo. In fact, it's a bit too large, so let me just change the width. Let's say 60 pixels. Okay, so it's a bit better now. Let's just save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the logo now appears instead of the store name. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.